You know what? I just feel like having something good. Shall we? It's raining outside. We need something nice. Let's make it. The ingredients first. So a little bit of dates, and I'm going to use walnuts, and then I'm going to use salt, and then more sugar. And now I'm going to prepare a little bit of perpetual, a little bit crazy, so I'm still a little bit here, like that, and I'm going to have chili flakes. I'm just going to put the unique chocolate, raspberry chocolate. Raspberry 70% dark chocolate, and I'm going to need a pot. I like to have these so I can pick the things. For salt, I'm going to use a coffee spoon. Coffee spoon is like much smaller spoons than normal, so the teaspoon is this size, and this is a coffee spoon. This is a difference. I'm going to use it here. Use a little pot with water. Okay, it's going here, and the chocolate is going to go inside, and I have already some chocolate that I'm going to melt. Oh, it's so satisfying. Low heat, and we're going to start to melt. I'm going to put the walnuts inside like this, and then it will come like in a heart shape. Too big. The best for me, I like Medjool dates. Medjool dates are the ones that get with a better taste for me, but all dates are amazing. So this is in a heart shape, but actually it is great also to use whenever you want to celebrate anything, even for sweet treats, for breaking fast. It's absolutely amazing. A lot of people love to eat the dates. So I'm having now the little hearts. Look at that. This is too big actually. Like in a heart, you see. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my beautiful hearts for Valentinettes. Okay, there we go. Look how cute. Now chocolatey. I should get a fork. I think would be better. Go for it. Oh. Can be actually. One more. too much. This one has too much. Okay, now I'm going to have chilies. Oh my gosh, chilies. I'm going to do with a little teaspoon. Chilies, just a little bit. Served with love and bon appetit, and I chose this one. Mmm. Mmm.